Prepare for battle! Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this Dino Valley dinosaur. We've got a Triceratops and a helicopter with a figurine. Wow, it comes with a disc launcher as well. Load and launch. This looks like it's gonna be so much fun. Let's check it out. This helicopter has a disc launcher. Just pull the lever and launch the discs. To load the launcher, you just open the front of the helicopter and put your discs inside. The propeller really turns. I love the dinosaur on the side of the helicopter. There's also a figurine. I love how he's dressed. And look at all of his tools. He could fit inside the helicopter. Woohoo! He also comes with lots of different tools. There's a lantern, a video camera, a regular camera, a lantern, binoculars, and a water bottle. This playset comes with this Triceratops. I love the different colors on him. Look at all of the horns on the edge of his shield. I love all the different horns around his face too. And look at that bright yellow eye. The dinosaur's legs can move. Check out what happens when we move his back leg. Wow! The dinosaur really raises and lowers his head. That's so cool! I wonder what's going to happen when we play with this set. Let's check it out. It's a nice day at the pond. All the dinosaurs are enjoying fresh water and they're not being mean to one another. Sometimes they all get along. What's that sound? I found the dinosaurs! There's plenty to choose from. Bring in the truck right over here. This is a perfect spot. Oh no, watch out. Some of the dinosaurs seem dangerous. Mayday! Mayday! The dinosaur has gotten the helicopter. I'm gonna have to abandon ship. Bring in the truck. I've got to get the helicopter fixed. I've got to get out of here. Oh no, a dinosaur. He's just interested in what's there. Ooh, okay. I think it should work. Now I just have to climb inside. It's time to get out of here. The T-Rex is coming again. Prepare for battle. Okay, The T-Rex that attacked me is down. Come on, you can pick him up now. We've got the load. Let's take him to the dinosaur park. Wow, we've had a fun adventure today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.